For example, if you have the building has many floors, how to count the floor? In Japanese, they use the unit of kai, which it has the same sound as we already learned. Kai that count for time. But count for floor, they also use the unit of kai, but it has different kanji. So you should remember the kanji is had the same sound but just quite different for the kanji for writing. Let's look at example. Ikai, which means first floor. Ikai. Nikai. Nikai, second floor. Sankai or sangai, which means third floor, something like that. And now we are going to learn how to count for floor in Japanese. Yonkai, yonkai. Gokai, gokai. Rokukai, rokukai. Or you can say rokai. Nanakai, nanakai. Hachikai, hachikai. Or you can say hakkai, hakkai. Kyukai, kyukai. Jukai, jukai. When you want to make the question, you can say Nan Kai, Nan Kai. Or you can say in the polite form by using Nan Kai desu ka, Nan Kai desu ka. Now let's see some example of how to use kai, which means floor, in English. The first example. Tanaka-san no jimusho wa nankai desu ka? Tanaka-san no jimusho wa nankai desu ka? Which means, what is the floor of Tanaka-san's office? What is the floor of Tanaka-san's office? The second example. Tanaka-san no jimusho wa 3階です。Tanaka-san no jimusho wa 3階です。Which means, Tanaka-san's office is in the third floor. Tanaka-san's office is